So this is what it's like to ride the back seat of a 1969 Camaro.
There you go.
This one's special though. It was built by Bill Sluman. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's well known in the Gresham, Oregon community as a car builder. He's built some beauties. So let's see what it's like. Of course, he won't want to, do anything crazy. But this is for those of you who just never get this opportunity. I'm sharing this with my viewers. We got Bill Sluman as driver. We got Carl Morrison as co-pilot, and we got the the blind guy in the back seat. Who shall rename? I'm not gonna name him. Just keep
Yeah, please.
Looks like we're going to Heidi's for lunch. See, that's what happens when you clean a car really well. They don't just pay you and tip you; they take you out for food as well. Look at that. Anyway, it's a fun car and gets lots of looks. Now, if I wanted to mess with Bill, I'd say, is this Hemi orange? But he would be quick to correct me on that. What color orange is this, Bill?
Huh?
What color of orange is this? Hugger orange, yeah. Hugger orange.
69 Camaro.
Original color. So if you want to Google Bill and see some of the cars he's worked on, you could probably Google search Sluman's garage, and you might find some of the cars out there that he bought, sold. And,
He's videotaping it for his site.
so in addition to that, the car that I'll shoot another video when I get back to the shop. I'm spiffing up a 60 Belair that was built by Bill Sluman. And several other cars. So this has been a nice test drive in a 69 Z28 Camaro.
Where are we going, Heidi's?
Heidi's it is! Check out the Lingenfelter V8 in this 69 Camaro. This is what I went for a ride in earlier today. Back seat, went out to lunch in this, and just thought you'd like to see what I went for a ride in. It's a beautiful car, beautiful wheels. Some of the cool things about this car, other than just the 383 stroker Lingenfelter engine, is the fact this is original interior for this car. This is actually the original interior. The steering wheel and column is aftermarket, and the transmission is a 6-speed Corvette transmission, manual transmission. But yeah, even the door jambs, this is the original paint in the door jamb. The outside's been repainted, and then they rolled the paint just inside the edge here. But this is an original car that's been cleaned up. That's original carpeting, original dash. Hear the way that closes? Like a new car. So it's got some suspension works done to it, some brake work done to it, engine, transmission, and of course a show car quality paint job restoration on the exterior. This car did not look this good when it was new. It definitely didn't go this good either. So that's number one. That getting ready for the show car season. And then over there is the 60 Belair. I'm spiffing it up as well, getting it ready for the show car season. You've seen this other areas in my YouTube video. This is a Belair, so it's a little different than the Impala, but it has an incredible interior. I'll go ahead and take a peek at the interior for you. So yeah, this is a complete resto mod car. It's Not quite a pro street car, but it definitely could be a wonderful power tour car with the big deep dish steamrollers in the back. And this also has a bunch of suspension work done to it. And it's got a crate engine in it. So, yeah, fun car, drives nice, goes good. And, yeah. Well, thanks for joining me at Blind Man's Garage.